Forecast, News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, remember last night how we were tracking that derecho here in South Dakota, Minnesota, Iowa, and then we had that supercell with the multiple large tornadoes with it? That is still going on today. We had wind gusting to 96 miles an hour in South Dakota yesterday, 85 in Minnesota. It moved across southern Wisconsin, far northern Illinois this morning. We had tornado warnings in Michigan, and check it out, we've got a severe weather outbreak in Canada now. This is the same one. There's the calm ahead and the line of storms that is moving through Ontario, but it's left what we call an outflow boundary. Cool air's rushed out from it, and that outflow boundary has kind of been straddling US 24 today, but it's moved back north, and you can see it's trying to pop a few storms just north of the viewing area. They're battling a lid or cap right now. But if these can go completely through the cap, can't rule out any of these going severe this evening and kind of skimming our far northern counties. And then after that, what we're going to watch is Iowa. Cluster of storms should blow up about right here tonight, evolve into a damaging wind producer, and then move like this, and that may clip the northern part of our viewing area very late tonight and tomorrow morning. Same weather pattern. The upper ridge, the heat is here. It's capped, but the storm clusters ride the ring of fire around that dome of heat right into our viewing area. And we've got another one we're going to watch, again, that may clip us late tonight, early tomorrow morning. And storm clusters will be around right through Sunday night before we get out of the pattern and cool off a little bit by Monday. There's the evening outlook. This is 10:30. Could be a storm or two in our north. And again, if it can get through the cap, any one of those could go severe because there's so much energy available. There's the line of storms that will develop in Iowa and could be near the Kankakee River around 4 o'clock in the morning. And then notice how it passes through our northern tier at 6 a.m. Now, I think the best chance of getting storms from this or damaging wind gusts would be along and north of US 24. We'll keep a close eye on that. And then the outflow boundary from that line of storms will sag southward, and that may prove to kind of trigger a couple of storms. Even with a cap tomorrow afternoon, you can see those kind of popping up during the heating of the day, and any one of those could just go severe very quickly. We're fine tomorrow night, but I do expect storms to get going on Thursday. These may organize into a cluster. Now, that's Thursday morning, we're fine, but Thursday afternoon, notice how the storms start to grow, blossom, organize. Could have a few severe gusts, perhaps a little hail out of those before they push out of here Thursday evening, and the pattern could repeat on Friday, perhaps even Saturday. Notice tomorrow, though, highs up around 93 degrees, and check that out, the heat index by 5 p.m. around 99. Another hot day, 94 tomorrow, Fowler, 93 Lafayette, and 93 at Crawfordsville. 7-day forecast, it stays hot Friday, Saturday, Sunday, highs in the upper 80s, lows near 70, with storms around. You can't rule out at least a few severe weather reports out of those, wind, little hail, and then it calms down Monday, Tuesday. Highs low to mid 80s, less humid, but back to 90 by next Wednesday.